Ain't that part 3. You guys want to watch the movie? There are the links in the description down below. Let's do this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment down.
Alright team, we're one touchdown away from winning this thing. Joey, you're gonna have to run it.
You got it.
Break!
Now look at Joey right here. This is a buff Joey. Using steroids and no one told anybody. Using steroids and liquids. And no one is gonna understand me. Don't judge me. Anyways, against all odds, you alone like this. His dad's gonna show them to make him proud. Now do why they gotta do that to him? His father is an airplane, flying an airplane, and he using his airplane as a weapon to knock out every other football team over there, and it makes no sense. Offense or defense. And I know that's cheating, but that's
Joey Salas has conquered every sport imaginable, from ping pong to NASCAR.
Wait, if his name is Joey Salas, is he almost related to that one YouTuber, Joey Salads, the one who's doing all the pranks? Maybe.
It is for this unbelievable legacy that we commemorate him with this statue.
I am so incredibly humbled to be given this honor, but none of it would have been possible if it weren't for the big guy in the sky. I love you, Dad.
Really? Okay, makes no sense. It's not a space shuttle. And your dad's naming part of the space team airplane horizontal, not vertical. I take that back.
I am with my dad